Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. Chris here with Absolute Guitar for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Bon Jovi's Livin On A Prayer. This one's a lot of fun to play. So come on, let's have some fun. Okay, so the first part, 7-5-7 on the A string. Then 5-7 on the D string. And then slow bend with an artificial harmonic. And then 7 again, 5-5 on the A string. So it sounds like this. Second part, 12, 14, 15 on the high E. But before the 12 you rake. But that you just use the palm of your hand to rake to mute out the strings, except for that first string on the high E. So 12, 14, 15. The high E, then 15, 12, 13, 15 on the B string. So all together. So again, break, 12, 14, 15, then 15 on the B string, 12, 13, 15, 2 whole bends, and then 15. 2 together. After that, you want to have this sound. So it sounds like you want this. These are called double stops. So rake, 12, 14, 15. 15, 12, 13, 15, 15, 2 whole bends, 1 more bend down, then 12 and 12 on the G and B string, so it sounds like this, then 14 on the G, 13 on the B string, so. And then back to the 12 on the G and B string. So all together. And then 11 on the G string with our artificial harmonic. And how you do an artificial harmonic, just use your thumb grazing over the string. And then 12th fret on the D string and 12th fret on the A string. So all together. And then back to the rake, 12, 14, 15. Then 15, 12, 13, back to 12. So. So this part, rake, 12, 14, 15, 15, 12, 12, 13, 12, 12 on the G string. So the whole thing is rake, 12, 14, 15. Then 15, 12, 13, 12, and 12 on the G string. Then 2 bends, whole bends on the B string. So all together. So all together so far. last run at the end. 12, 14, 16, 13, 15, 17, 14, 15, 17. It's going down from the G, 3 notes on the B string and 3 notes on the E string. And then the whole bend. $12, 14, 16, 13, 15, 17, 14, 15, 17. Bend up on the 17, and bend, and vibrato. And that's how you play Livin On A Prayer by Bon Jovi. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.